Hey guys, Requisonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this Pax Snake tech house kind of style drop. So the final result will sound like this. So if you want more presets like this, make sure to check the new tech house pack in the link down below. In the preset pack you get all the presets you need to make this kind of style of tech house. So first we're going to make bass line and then the sub bass. The drums in the preview are sampled from the original, sounding like this. And we have the sub bass and the top bass. So we're gonna start off with the top bass, stack the preset, go for the square wave, 2 octaves down, then go for the added funk wavetable for the second oscillator, 2 octaves down as well, no level, and select FM from B. We're gonna FM it quite heavily. We're gonna go for the square wave. So it's way too gritty right now, so select the filter, cut off around here, drive fatness a little bit up, actually a lot up. Then I'm gonna shape envelope 2, something like this, and route to the cutoff. And then find the sweet spot for the bass line. Select mono and always, by the way, to make sure the notes aren't overlapping. Then we're gonna dive into the effects with some hyperdimension, some downsample distortion, so add some more high harmonics to the sound. Lower down the mix a little bit. Then some chorus. Low pass further all the way up. Mix around here. Then we're gonna add some compression. Gonna check the filter a bit more. Lower down the cutoff a little bit. Same for the threshold. So then it's time to add some reverb, delay to the top end of the bass line, so it's like low cut for both reverb and delay, and some EQing, a little cutoff to make room for the sub bass, and a little boost at the mids. Something like this. We're gonna open up the filter just a little bit more and lower down the reverb just a small amount. Then we're gonna dive into the sub bass, sounding like this. So second preset, we're gonna go for analog wavetable, sounding like this. Lower down 2 octaves and the square wave for oscillator B with 1 octave up, just to get some more harmonics to the top end of the bass line. We're gonna add a low 24 cutoff to around here, some drive fatness, so we only get the low end of the bass line. Then select mono legato, always portamento. And we're gonna shape envelope 3. We're gonna add that to the pitch of the bass line to give it a more kind of 808 feel. So select source envelope 3 and global master tuning. Then we're gonna go for 1 octave, just something like this. Then we're gonna add some diode 2 distortion with a post filter and the mix a little bit down, some compression, low cut, and a phaser to the bass line. So search for the sweet spot. I think it's around here. So that's it for baseline, and altogether the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the Pax Snake remake. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more, and the subscribe button, and see you all in the next videos.